One thing I always do before I embroider is check to see where it actually is going to stitch. On this machine, once you have a design up, go ahead and touch the Alt button, and we're going to work with this first icon here and the plus and minus buttons. So when I do plus, you'll notice there's a little dot in the upper left corner here, and that's where the needle has moved to. So I can see that the top part of the design is over there on the left, over there on the right. I'm pushing the plus. That's as low as it's going to go, so I can see that if I stitched right now, I'm going to stitch through something I've already embroidered. Probably not what you're looking for. And also, too, we find that fourth corner, and then push plus again. This is the important one because you're looking to find the center of your design. If you wanted the design to be over here, what you can then do is come out of the Alt, move the design over. Now keeping in mind that this is not the center of the design anymore, it's the first stitch in the design. So you'll need to kind of move it over until you get close and then go back into Alt. But if you did the minus sign, it will move the little marker to the center. See how that's noted? And you can see if you've gotten to the point that you're looking for. But no matter what, the moral of the story is make sure you always know where the design is going to stitch in which of those four corners, so not to accidentally stitch over something you didn't mean to.